they signed an agreement for co-investment in terms of the projects that are stipulated in the plan. Next.
Could you provide us more material on this, no, so I can review it? Also, yung aking point kanina na sinabi kong baka pwede niyong bigyan ng good housekeeping seal, it can be through this kasi may mga MOA na kayo eh. Diba? With the provinces. So at least sa provincial and level, pwede nyo nang, you know, it's up to you, no? But pwede nyo nang gawin.
Yes, sir. We
Diba?
can.
Tapos, sorry, just to finish. Tapos, bigyan nyo ng reward. Kasi meron kayong co-investment agreement, di ba? So, bigyan nyo ng cash prize. Yung mga, di ba? Yung mga, and you can do it by way of not the LGU per se, but the investment. Di ba? The project. Di ba? Para pag binigyan mo ng cash award, it's not personal to the individuals, but it is for the needs, di ba, and the requirements of the project.
Yeah, anyway, we're doing that, sir. And then we're giving to LGU, for example, there are cash prices of 5 million and some equipments for the LGU. And these are also the things that we wanted to also adopt, particularly in the coming days for the implementation of the different projects for LGU, sir.
We also recognize that in the seal of good local governance, there should be measures, indicators about agriculture programs.
Well, dapat din, di ba? Yeah. Well, then you can coordinate with them in that regard. No? Parang as a add-on, di ba, to the housekeeping. Lalo na kung dapat lang siguro dahil kung halimbawa ang populasyon ng LGU, I mean yung kanilang constituency is 50% farming and fishing, di ba? Paano bibigyan ng good housekeeping yan kung walang kalahati ng populasyon mo o 80% ng populasyon mo o kaya yung income mo agriculture pero wala kang programang pang-agrikultura. No matter how you look at it, paano bibigyan ng good housekeeping yung isang LGU kung yung bulto ng kanyang populasyon agri and fisheries tapos walang programa sa agri and fisheries? Baka dapat bawiin yung seal na yun.